Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are having the lectures of input and output devices. We discuss the input devices and the objectives of today's lecture is student will be able to understand what is input and how to enter data into the computer with the help of input devices. Then explore keyboard and mouse events. What is keyboard and how many types of keys are there on the keyboard? And what is mouse and how it works, and it has the events, how many events are there for the mouse. Third, identify trackball and joystick's properties. What is trackball, how we use it, and then the properties of joystick and how we can uh, play with the help of joystick and how we can work with the help of joystick in different fields of life. Input devices. In front of you are many devices displayed. First of all, there is a keyboard, graphic pad, webcam, mouse, scanner, joystick, trackball, digital cam, and microphone. Despite of these devices, there are many other devices we can use as input. But we will study some short of these devices and we will discuss each one and their properties with explanation. What is a keyboard? Keyboard is an input device which is used to give instruction to the computer. With the help of keyboard, we can enter textual data. It is just a traditional typewriter. We can type with the help of keys. There are many keys on keyboard that are functional keys, alphanumeric keys, numeric keys, and cursor control keys. And we can say the layout refers to the arrangement of keyboard on the keyboard is different. So our keyboard is having 1012, 104 keys. It is the main input device which is used to enter instruction into the computer. Without keyboard, we cannot write or type onto the computer. First of all, we are having the alphanumeric keys. Let's Alphanumeric keys are having alphabets and numbers both. The alphabetical keys on the keyboard started from the range of A to Z, and then numbers are from 0 to 9. The right side of the keyboard is having a number pad, and from the left side we have shown A to Z, that is alphabetic keyboard, or you can say alphabetic keys. Second one is just numeric keys. Numeric keys are numbers and mathematical operators. Numbers, although we have learnt about from 0 to 9, and mathematical operators include plus, minus, multiply, divide, steric, and mod. Third key is function key. Function key is used for special function from F1 to F12. And then we are having cursor controls keys, up, down, left and right, which is also called directional key. With the help of this cursor, we can move the page up and down, left and right, and we can go through the lines through these keys. Despite of these keys, we are having window key, control key, escape key through which we can move back from any program, backspace key, we can delete the previous word, and navigations and editing keys. Beside this, we are having print screen. We can take the print of the screen, delete key, we can delete the previous word, also insert page up, page down, home, and many more keys, including the mouse. Mouse is also an input device and it is called an hand-holding or pointing device. We can use to point something or to click on any icon. It is an input device that rolls around on a flat surface and controls the pointer on a display screen, usually in the form of arrows. It can be accessed to the menus and interact with the programs. Different functions of the mouse are there depending on what application we are using. Some mouses also include a scroll wheel for scrolling through long documents. Let's have a look over this picture. This picture is having a complete event of mouse, that is from left click, right click and drag. From left finger we can use left click, from right we can use right, and in between there is a short wheel we can use to drag the page from up and down or from down to up. Look at this. This is showing mouse up, mouse over, mouse down, and mouse drag. Then the next topic is trackball. Trackball is also a pointing device that works like a mouse, consisting of a ball held by a socket. These are not using nowadays because this is, we can say, an ancient device which was used before the mouse discovered. Trackball is a pointing device that works like a mouse. But shortly we can say somewhere this is using nowadays, but only 2% of people can use these. To move the pointer on the screen, you roll the ball with your thumb, fingers, or the palm of your hand. There are usually 1 to 3 buttons next to the ball, same as that with we have read in mouse. The same buttons are on the Joy trackball, but you can say the function is somewhat different from the mouse. In addition, you can place a trackball on any type of surface. This is a picture of trackball. You are seeing the trackball in it. It is in the center. Left click mouse, just like a mouse, back and forward button. This is somewhat different with the mouse as compared to mouse. Right click mouse, and here is the button. Right click mouse from this side and from this side. Sorry, this is left click mouse. Scroll wheel is in center, just as mouse. Joystick. What's the joystick? Joystick is an input device used for games and computer-aided design or simulations. Computer-aided designs are drawn by the designer with the help of joystick, and we can use these designs to move up and down with the help of joystick. It is like a lever that moves in all directions. Most joysticks include two buttons called triggers. With the joystick, the pointer continues moving in the direction the joystick is pointing. Example, we are using the pointer in forward direction, the joystick will move in forward direction. In left and right, same as that. This is all about today's lecture. Thank you for all of you. Hope you like the lecture. Wait for the next lecture. Goodbye.